Measure Man 3, 2. I don't know. Whatever I can say, this is the end of the world. And
It's only the second one.
is my brother. I'm sad now.
My arm's hurt.
Luckily, we don't have to be someone dead.
Someone give me a donut! I don't have a donut for you, sir, but there might be a donut in the office if you chuck from Krispy Kreme.
I'm going down.
Oh no.
Me too. Help me,
Elsa!
Help me, Wayne Man!
I'm not white man.
Come on!
I'm Coverman. You can't see my face.
And I am Tape Measure Man. I'm sorry for the reaction I made earlier.
He screams like a little girl.
See this? He's my pet turtle. That's his eyeballs.
Hey,
There,
how
there,
tall am
there.
I? Hey, measure how tall am I?
Okay.
Let's see. Here we go. I'll take this. Put it up my nose hole.
Do gently.
Dude.
It's gonna eat my fingers.
It's gonna eat my
He's
fingers.
50 feet tall.
Oh my gosh. I'm a skyscraper. And I got my sword.
Can I tell you something, guys? I'm sorry, but this is the greatest day of my life.
It is, because you're about to die.
End. The end,
No,
guys.
it's not the end. It's where he died.
end.
He died. No, he's dead. He's dead. End it.